anyone here have a ring I can borrow? Specifically a 5-inch chrome-plated. No, okay, it's okay. I keep a spare in my pocket. Where is it? It's over here. This is a mystery. Okay, it's more of a puzzle. I don't really understand why or how it works, but it just does it. It's for you guys to help me figure it out. The mystery and the goal is to get the ring off of the rope without untying that knot down there. Do you see it? This is how you do it. You take the rope, give it a little shake like so. Take the ring, and just have it melt right through the rope. That's how it works. Some of you are puzzled. So am I. I'll do it again for you. I'll do it backwards. Ring goes back on the rope. That's how that works. But we all know how to actually do it the easy way. The easy way is to use the scissors to cut the rope. But I'm not going to do that because I have sharp wit. Yeah, I know. Ooh. We'll leave it. And now I have 2 pieces of rope and the ring. Here, check out the ring right here. It's solid. Hang on down for a second. Thank you. But if you were to take this is how you actually restore a piece of rope. You don't actually do magic. You use glue and spit. I'm out of glue. I'm kidding. No. All I have to do is take end A, put it with end B. You take end C, put it with end D. That's step 1. Step 2 is take loop D. Wait, no. Take loop F, put it over here. Take loop, I don't know, whatever, over here. And then you put these 2 ends together. You take these over here. You put everything into a lump. And all I have to do is say the magic words. Please. I hope this works.